Everything you think you know about time is about to fall apart. If you fell into a black hole, the universe wouldn't just kill you. It would show you the entire future of everything, all at once. So, what would you actually see in your final seconds alive? Black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners that suck everything in. They're places where gravity gets so strong. The normal rules of space and time stop making sense. Think of space as a stretched trampoline sheet. A black hole is like dropping a bowling ball so heavy. It doesn't just dent the sheet, it punches straight through it. And once you cross a certain point, there's no climbing back out. Not because of speed, because the exit simply stops existing. Let's start with the edge, the event horizon. This isn't a wall. It's not a surface you'd bump into. It's an invisible line in space where the escape speed becomes faster than light itself. Cross it and you haven't hit anything. You've just made a decision the universe won't let you undo. Here's where it gets strange. As you fall in, your feet, closer to the black hole, get pulled harder than your head. Scientists actually call this spaghettification, and it's exactly as horrifying as it sounds. You'd be stretched like taffy, thinner and thinner, until you're basically a strand of human spaghetti. But here's the twist nobody expects. From your own point of view, falling in might feel completely normal. At first, time feels the same to you as it always has. There's no siren, no flashing warning light. You'd cross the point of no return without even feeling it happen. Now here's the fact that breaks people's brains. To someone watching you from far away, you never actually fall in at all. You'd appear to slow down, freeze, and fade, stuck forever at the edge, like a photograph that never finishes developing. Two people, two completely different realities, both technically true. Why does this happen? Gravity this extreme doesn't just bend space, it bends time itself. The closer you get to the black hole, the slower your clock ticks compared to someone far away. It's like watching a video buffer slower and slower until it just stops. So, which is it? Do you fall in, or do you freeze forever? This is the question that's kept physicists up at night for decades, and the answer depends entirely on whose perspective you trust. Here's the truth. Both are real. From the outside, you freeze at the edge forever, stretched into silence, fading from view. But from your own perspective, you keep falling. Within seconds, you reach the center, the singularity, where our current laws of physics simply give up and stop giving answers. You don't experience eternity, you experience an ending, just one nobody outside will ever witness. Remember that opening question. What would you see? The wild part is, right before the end, some physics suggests you might catch a glimpse of the entire future history of the universe outside, compressed into a single flash, because time outside is racing while your time crawls to a stop. Your last moment could be the universe's last moment too. This isn't just a thought experiment for space nerds. It's a crack in our understanding of reality itself. Proof that time isn't one universal clock ticking the same for everyone. It bends, it stretches, it depends entirely on where you're standing and how fast you're falling. And this is exactly why black holes sit at the center of one of physics' biggest unsolved mysteries. What happens to all the information about you once you're gone? Does it vanish forever? Or is it hiding somewhere we haven't figured out how to look yet? So, here's the whole idea in one sentence. Falling into a black hole means experiencing your own ending, while the rest of the universe watches you freeze in time forever. If two people can experience two totally different realities about the exact same moment, what does that say about the one true version of events we assume exists everywhere else?